Hi everyone, I am Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sinra DIY. So today I am going to make awesome 3D flowers on this round canvas of 10 by 10 inches. So first of all I am going to paint the base, and for that I am taking a pink shade. Once you're done and your background is completely dried, you can take masking tape of any size and paste it on your base like this to create stripes. Now I'm taking a white and a light violet color, mixing them together to get a nice light purple shade. And now I am painting in between these masking tapes so that I'll get pink and purple stripes. If you get any mishappenings like this, you can always correct it with the paint later. Now to make the sunflowers, I am going to use modeling paste. This is so fresh and creamy, and it works beautiful for these kinds of flowers. In that I am adding yellow acrylic color. Mix it properly so that your paste is ready to use. Now I'm making a small circle with pencil which represents the center of the flower, and now taking that circle as a guideline I'll start making the petals. So this is how I load my palette knife, and remember to take lot of paste on your knife. Now the process goes like gently press and pull, that's it. Of course, this process requires practice, but once you know the technique, it's really easy and amazing to make. While you are making these petals, also remember to not press your knife fully towards the canvas. Just press a little bit, make a good shape of a petal and pull it. Now once the first layer is done of all the three flowers, I'm adding one more layer in between those petals to create a nice good looking sunflower. And then take any palette knife and take the paste like this and make really small buds like this. Now here comes the very exciting part. I'm making these small flowers using the piping bag. I have filled the paste in this piping bag and using a nozzle. In this also you just need to press and pull the cone and gently press the center of the flower so that the pointed thing does not look awkward. And now it's a really easy and fun way to create a bunch of white or any other color flower. I really enjoyed making this. Now in the same yellow color, I am adding more blue color and yellow color to get a green shade, and then taking a cellophane and making a cone out of it, a very small cone, because I need to fill that paste in this cone to make stem and leaves. So cone preparation is very easy. If you don't know, I'll put another short video out of it. You guys can just check it on my channel. Secure the cone properly from the back side so that when you use it, the paste does not come from the back side. Now cut it as per the thickness you required, and then you can start using it. Before using it exactly on your canvas board, try to do some practice so that your cone works properly. To make the leaves, I have kept a dot and then used the palette knife to give it a shape of a petal. You can also make few leaves with help of cone like this, as I'm showing it on the canvas. Now adding pink dots on the tiny white flowers to give it more detail. Now I have made one more cone of darkish brown shade, and with help of that I am adding dots in the center of the flower to give it a nice detailed look of the flower. And you can just press and pull it. That's how the dots are made. With this I complete my artwork, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like the video. I have created more techniques of texture art and these type of flowers on my YouTube channel, so you guys can go check them out. Please comment what would you like to see the next, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.